Cleaver, look at that. Like butter. Look at the sharp cutting edges, all right? Nice cut. Welcome to my kitchen. As you guys know, I love to cook. I love to have the proper tools. And today we got a cleaver, a large cleaver. I'm gonna take a look at it and see what you get. Just to let you guys know, this was sent to me by the vendor to review, but it's my own opinion, and you can see what you're for yourself. So we got a little piece of paper here, and what I like to do first of all when I get these things, I want to see how sharp they are out of the box, right? Because when they're out of the box, they've been, treated, they've been sharpened, they've been taken care of. So fine quality tells you a lot. This is not a cut and paste thing. This is actually it has to be treated, oil treated, steel treated, and heat treated. That's pretty much how it is, right? So we're gonna go ahead and open, not the corners. We're just gonna go and cut this open, see how it does. All right. So be careful when you're doing this. Try not to do it around kids or anything else. So I'm just gonna run it straight, and I am gonna take this tip of the corner and this one too, so it won't interfere with the actual paper cut. This is my first test of opening it out of the box. Look at that. Beautiful. All right, so we got our roast shoulder here, all right? We're gonna cut in pieces because we wanna simmer this down, get some charcoal, some smoke area. So cleaver, look at that, like butter. Look at the sharp cutting edges, all right? Nice cut, nice cut. Recommendation, use a glove or maybe tongs to keep your hand away or if you're a professional, go ahead and, you don't need to use any stuff, but I like my fingers and I don't do this often that much. So this is why we do this a lot. Look at that. Cleaver, nice cut. Look at beautiful cuts it does. Look at that. Nice, tender, beautiful cuts. Cut it out. Ooh, wants to go somewhere else. Look at that. Beautiful cuts right there. Nice, tender cuts. Cut it down. It's a little too thick in some areas. Cut it down in pieces. And potato. The bad part of the potato. Look at that. Look at the precise cuts on this one, all right? I'm gonna do a sideways, all right? Try to remove some bad part of the potato, right? Look at that. Trying to do a triangle, see if it gets it. Look at that, precise cut on it. All right, chop it in pieces, 3 pieces. This is some more beautiful cuts in here, 3 pieces again. This is all going to the same pot, so I don't care. This is a little big, so I'm gonna cut in half of it. Make another piece. It's just too sharp. This thing's really sharp. 1, 2, 3, and then half of it. So pretty good style, pretty good.